Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. In today's video is a plan with me. We'll be planning in my catch-all classic happy planner. It's the dashboard layout, and we are going to plan for October 26th through November 1st. It's going to be a Halloween spread. I'm super excited. So let me just get to the pages here. So it is the dashboard layout, and I'm going to plan a Halloween cat lady inspired spread this week. I've been saving this sticker book, particularly the kitties in this sticker book. So if you guys want to see this plan with me, then keep on watching. Okay, so I pulled my pages out so it'd be a little bit easier. And before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell so you guys can see more videos from me. All right, so I'm excited. This is Halloween week, and even though we're not gonna do trick-or-treating this year, we're just gonna pull together a fun Halloween night. Just the four of us, and it's gonna be super fun. So again, I'm using the Happy Planner sticker books. I have two here because I definitely want to double, but I'm not gonna lie, I totally wanted to hoard these stickers for the cats because they are just so cute. And I was kind of deciding on what Halloween stickers to use. I've gotten so many. You guys have seen my hauls, but mainly it's because I did October daily this year and I wanted to make sure that I had stickers for that. So I may go pick up a third one, and that's so crazy. But yeah, I totally am going to use the cat stickers, and I pulled some extra from this one, seasonal in the mini, just for like functional stickers. For decorative, I did pull some bats out of this one. These are my favorite. They're petite stickers from Hobby Lobby and Joann's, I believe. And then handwritten plans. I love this one. And then I pulled one random sticker out of here because the dashboard layout is kind of like my mom planning, and then for the kids' school. So I just needed a meeting sticker out of here. I also pulled some washi. So I just pulled these because I already pre-planned and pulled my stickers on wax paper, but I'm just sharing with you some other washi that I thought would look great with this spread. Some black and white, and then I pulled a sticker that actually like really goes well with this washi. I didn't use it though. I am going to use this washi here. It's by Scotch. It's just a web, spider web, and then the skull from Simply Gilded. It was like in a set. I love the black skulls, and I think it'll contrast really well. I'm debating whether or not to do distress ink with my spread. And if you're new to my channel, I don't go all out all the time. I'm very both decorative and functional. You don't have to go all out, but I just figured because it's Halloween week, why not? So this is occasionally I will go all out with decorating. But again, if you're new, you don't have to do that, but I think it's fun to do it every now and then. Okay, so I have my wax paper here pre-planned, and you can see it's a party. I really love it. I think it's super cute, and I just adore the cats. I also did pull some other stickers that I had from like seasonal stickers that come out during back to school. Those were from Target, unfortunately. So I have this black cauldron down here. Absolutely love it. Just really gives you those Halloween vibes. And that is from Alicia Michelle XO. It was like leftovers that I had. And then these jack-o'-lanterns are also from, with this hat, they're from like the Target seasonal back to school stickers that I had. But pretty much the rest of the stickers you can find in the ones that I just shared with you, and especially these. So now I'm just debating whether or not I want to use one color, the green, because I don't have any green going on, or if I want to use purple. And I'm not really sure, but this is the layout that I'm going with. It's super cute. And I'm going to cover up the Aaron's box up here with this box sticker, and it has like gold foiling, and that's when I was talking about this washi. If you have this washi, it actually matches really well. You could put it down the center of your pages, but because this doesn't really fit, I'm going to put this, which is, I want to say this is like 15 or 10, and this is a 5. So that should pretty much cover that bottom section. But it's going to look super cute. And I have some space to write, to-do lists, chores. Saturday is just our party, so I don't really need a space. I'm going to leave space over here to cover up, focus, and put organize, and just whatever I need to organize for this day. I'm not going to go overboard or anything, but yeah. And then Sunday's either going to be rest or clean up. And I can't believe it's already November 1st. So yeah, I still have space here. I will write down some stuff here to buy, not necessarily a grocery list, just things that I want to remember. And then I'm not sure what else I'm going to put here, but it's still a spot for me to use. All right, so now it's decision making on the ink. Okay, so I think this is what I want to do for fun. Again, this is all extra for Halloween. Okay, so I think what I want to do is I'm going to take this purple and I'm going to highlight under this. I think it should be cool. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put green under these guys and green under here. And we'll see how that goes. And if I need to pull in black ink, I'll put it on the sides of the pages. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I've laid my distress colors down and I decided to go again with the green, Twisted Citron, and then the Wilted Violet. And I have done a video, another plan with me, on these colors, and I want to let you guys know that these are the dye inks. They have new ones called Oxide inks, and they have like gray packaging. Also, you can get these in a smaller pack. That way, if you're a beginner, you want to try it out. And they also have mini blenders, so make sure you check that out, because these are, I don't think these are the minis. Honestly, I'm not really sure, but I think these are the regular. Anyhow, you can get them in a smaller pack. That way you can have them stored easily. Okay, so I did add pencil, and I shouldn't have done that because I can't get the pencil marks out, but hopefully the stickers will cover that up, or you won't be able to see it once everything's laid out, really. So now when I lay this over, I love the wax paper because it's so helpful. It looks really nice just to have that bit of color in there, and then I still have white space to write. Okay, so now I'm going to lay all the stickers down and white out anything that I need to white out. I placed some of my stickers down, but I thought I thought I would talk to you guys for a little bit as I place the rest of my stickers down. I was just wondering to know what you guys are doing for Halloween. How's it going in your states, in the area that you live in? I'm not sure if a lot of people are doing trick-or-treating this year. I'm sure a lot of people are having Halloween parties for the first time at home, which is very cool, and that's kind of like the positive thing when, I guess, in 2020, because I think a lot of people are just focusing on the bad, and every time something comes up, they're like, oh, that's 2020, 2020 sucks, and it doesn't help when you constantly point out the bad things, right? So anyhow, we are just, again, doing something at home, fun. We're going to do jack-o'-lanterns, and we're going to watch movies. We're going to have like a Halloween spread, which will be fun. We're just gonna dress up with headbands, like cute Halloween headbands and makeup. I think that's what we're doing. I found a cute light up unicorn headband at Walgreens that I thought I would do and just add it to my collection because I've actually collected those with the girls over the years. And that's about it. I think I'm not gonna do a lot of cooking either. We're just gonna prepare like a spread. I'm gonna order wings. We're gonna have Halloween ice screams. Get it? Ice creams. We're just gonna like do some Oreo crumbles with gummies and chocolate or vanilla as a treat. And we'll have candy. I was thinking I may get candy in case I have trick-or-treaters, but I'm not really sure. I think we were planning on doing that anyhow because my kids are a little bit older now, that we wanted to pass out candy because we've always trick-or-treated. But my husband usually has like this trunk or treat type of a thing, which we took the girls the last 2 years. Well, we did both because it wasn't on Halloween. And that was fun. I love seeing everyone get creative, decorate their trunks. It's pretty cool. But they're not having that this year. My husband has been at home since March. They are not back at the office. I mean, I'm grateful that he still has his job and things are okay there for us. But it's been a little much having him home 24/7. I don't know if anybody can relate. I've been married for a long time. So yeah, just thought I would chat with you guys, but I love how this is turning out. Again, I really like the dashboard layout. Again, I'm not really sure what is going on with 2021 like planner lineups. If you guys know, leave it in the comments down below what planners you plan on using. I think I want to minimize the actual planners I have and do like all-in-one is what I'm thinking. But sometimes when I get so used to a layout, it's hard to change it up. Like last year, I used a vertical line happy planner for a full year as my catch-all for mom life stuff. This year, I devoted to dashboard, which I really love. So I don't know if I want to do that next year. And I don't know the size, like if I want to keep in a classic all year, if I want to keep in a mini. So that's what I'm juggling right now. I think there was only 2 dashboard layouts that I saw that are okay. I mean, I wasn't really thrilled with this year's lineup, to be honest with you, their last release that just happened. I really like the seasonal one though, so, and that's another thing. Do I want to do a skinny classic? I'm not sure. I just have to like think about what I want to use, what I want to actually plan. So I have to make a list and jot that down. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing a video process thought about like a sit down on my lineup for 2021. All right, so super cute. I have so much space for writing things in, except for this part, but yeah, that's all we're doing that day is a party, I think. Hopefully no softball games. Oh my gosh, my daughter just started this week for games, and I'm like, oh no, because that takes up your whole day. But this is going to be at nighttime anyhow. So I like what I did with the flags. I kind of like alternated them in spaces. So some tips when you're decorating, try to either stay inward or outward. That way you have spaces to write your actual plans, right? Or what I like to do sometimes, let's go ahead and pop this into my planner. I have this extra spider web real quick though that I thought would be cute on this jack-o'-lantern because it gives it more Halloween vibes. I don't know if that would look cute there. Maybe I'll cut that off. Guess it looks okay. Okay, so let me get my planner. Okay, I don't know if you guys noticed, I changed out my deluxe cover to this lime green color. Just looks cool for the month of October. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I was using my monthly for October daily to write notes down, so that way I remember. It's been really helpful. Okay, so I was using these daily sheets. They're from the Block Pads by Happy Planner. And whatever I'm not doing here, I'm going to write on a new one, which I think I have right here. So you could use these. Like, so if you get really decorative 1 week in your planner, you can take one of these to fill in those plans, extra plans. Especially like to-do list, if you're a list person like me. That's how I kind of plan, unless there's an actual thing going on that day. So I'll add this in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here for now so that I can swap that over, whatever I didn't do on my last. And this is, and I take this off for today. Instead, I use it for the whole week. So I'll white out that, probably this over here, probably this down here, and just do my own thing. But this is my planner spread or weekly layout. I think it's so cute for Halloween. Again, sticker books, recap. So mainly the fall, the new one for 2020. Yeah, 2020. Then I used handwritten plans. I use this petite for like the bats. Yeah. And then for like the other functional headers, like this banner, this checklist came from this mini seasonal. And let's see what else. Oh, this random meeting came from this one, which these are $1.99 at Michael's, guys. If you happen to see this one, I didn't see any other ones, but some of these are on clearance from the back to class at Michael's. And let's see, I think that's it. Oh, and then this one was from Alicia Michelle. So that's pretty much it. I think it's super cute. Let me know if, again, what your plans are for Halloween and how you guys are doing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy planning. Bye.